Welcome to Clockworks.com. Clock repair made easy. The verge assembly, how to set the verge lock tab. These are 8-day American-style clock movements, meaning they're only wound up about once a week. Here are some tips on how to mount your clock into the clock case. What we are working with today is a front escapement movement, meaning that the pendulum is in the front of the clock. There is a part to be aware of that has to be in place before you can mount the movement. This is the tab that comes over and locks the rocker pallets in place on the verge. The verge is the wire that whacks the pendulum back and forth as the clock tick-tocks and travels up the rocker arm that engages with the escape wheel. This is called a verge assembly and is only sitting on a post that sticks out of the movement. For it not to fall off of the clock, there is a brass or steel metal tab that rotates up or down. This tab goes on the post that the verge is riding on, as to prevent the verge from falling off of the front of the movement. So with this tab in place, the verge should still be loose and be able to freely rock back and forth as the movement runs. And now we can begin mounting our clock into the clock case. Check out our next video on how to do so, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on clocks and clock tutorials. Clockworks.com.